First, we are using the color of dark pink color, writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B. Stay with us. C. C for cow. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids, now we're writing G. Red color. Exactly. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. K. L. L for lemon. M. M for moon. M for mango. N. O. P. Q. And the last one is R. First we open colors. Baby blue color. The next one is forest green color. Now you open raw silk color. And the next one is light violet color. Exactly. Emerald green color. Now we open exactly yellow green color. Geranium color. Stay with us. Kids, now we open the color of black. Yellow color. Yellow color. The next one is scarlet color. And now we open the color of pale blue light color. And the last one is rose big color. Rose big color. Geranium color. Today we're writing alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're writing the alphabet of A. B. C for cow. D for dog. E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish. F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. Baby blue color. Now we're using the color of baby blue color. H. H for hand. I. The next one is J. Exactly. K for kite. K. L for lemon. L for lion. M for moon. M for mango. The next one is N. Stay with us. Now we're writing the alphabet of N. The next one is O. Scarlet color. Writing the alphabet of O. O for orange. P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose. R for rice. S. And the next one is C. U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. W. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is First Z. we're opening colors. Rose big color. The next one is pale blue light color. Now we open the color of baby blue color. Baby blue color. Raw silk color. Yellow green color. Yellow green color. Light violet color. Black color. Exactly. Kids, the next one is scarlet color. Geranium color. Forest green color. Emerald green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Stay with us till we draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, first we're using the color of black, and now we're writing alphabets. Black color. A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw the alphabet of C. The next one is D. Stay with us. D for dog. D for doll. The next one is E. Yes, E for egg. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish. Now we're using the color of rose big. F. F for fish. The next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for ice. I for ice cream. The next one is J. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lemon. Pale blue light color. Now we're using the color of pale blue light and writing the alphabet of M. M for moon. N for nose. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for penguin. The next one is numbers. First we're writing the number of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. 3. The next one is 4. Yellow color. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. FIVE 5. The next one is 6. SIX 6. 7. 8. Kids, now we draw the number of 9. And the last one is 10. First we open in colors. Pastel pink color. Kids, the next one is coral red color. Stay with us. Cream color. Cream color. The next one is lavender color. Lavender color. Vivid green color. Deep olive green color. Now we open the color of pale pink color. Pale pink color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. And now we open Persian blue color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. Warm gray color. Vivid purple color. And the next one is mint blue color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. First we're using the color of pale pink color and writing the alphabet of A. B. B for bat. C. C for cow. D. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Stay with us. G for gorilla. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of H. And using the color of, yes, pale pink color, H. And the next one is I. J. Now we're writing the alphabet of K. The next one is, yes, L. L for lemon, L for lion. Now we draw M. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Now we are using the color of coral red color. Using coral red color O. P for penguin. Q. R for rose. S. T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. W. W for watch. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.